So I'm going to show you the respiratory panel in the imaet system. This is under systems on the left-hand side here. So you're going to go down until you see respiratory and click on that. That brings you to this page. So there is no bioscan on this page. This is for going in and sending frequency when you know what is going on or you know what anatomical part of the respiratory system you want to send the frequencies to. So this box in the middle, you have functional stress. If you click on that, that's going to bring you to all of these functional stressors of the lungs and the respiratory system. And you have everything from acute bronchitis all the way down this list to things like viral pneumonia, sleep apnea. If you click on anatomical, you have all of the anatomical pieces of the respiratory system. So you have the adenoids, you have the alveoli, all the way down to the tonsils and the trachea. And when you click on these things, in the box in the bottom of the left-hand side, you have a description of what this is. So here's your description of mouth. You could read the description for lungs, the two organs that extract oxygen from inhaled air and expel carbon dioxide in exhaled air. Then on the right-hand side, you have this select support. These are the 4 most common functional stressors of the respiratory system. So you have emphysema, you have pneumonia, you have bronchitis, and you have asthma. And then say we were going to click on something like, let's click on bacterial pneumonia here. You have an add focus over here under the select support where we can add things like inflammation, infection, degeneration, and pain. So let's add inflammation and infection. Then we have our feedback down beneath that. So we're going to put in our feedback time. You can click on interface if your client is hooked up to the machine, or you can click on virtual if you're going to send these frequencies remotely. If you have a virtuoso, you'll only have one button since everything is done virtually. So we're going to run that. That's going to go through our 1 minute. And then it's going to go through the added focus that we have up here. Down in the bottom right-hand corner, you also have a button for the panel info where you can click and find out about this panel. And once this bar reaches the end here, it's going to tell us what percent harmonized this is. So this is 83% harmonized in our client after just 1 minute of feedback. And now it's going through inflammation. And when it gets to the end, it will go through infection as well. And if you want to stop this at any time, you just press stop.